In this video, you will learn about string indexer in PySpark. String indexer encodes a string column of labels to a column of label indices. Let us see this with an example. Before that, I would like to tell you why we need string indexer. We need it because machine learning models are mathematical functions and they only understand numbers. They do not understand strings or characters or alphabets. So you always have to first convert string into numbers and then pass that variable to your machine learning model. Let's import Spark session from pyspark.sql import Spark session. And let's import string indexer from pyspark.ml.feature import string indexer. Now I'm going to create a Spark session and save in object Spark. I will write Spark. I will call this class Spark session. From this I will call the method builder dot get or create, and this will create a Spark session for us. Now I'm going to read a CSV file and save in a variable df. From Spark I will call the method read.csv. Inside this I will pass my CSV file name and it is color.csv. Then first I will pass one parameter info schema. This is going to be true. This will give us the column types. My second parameter is header. This is also going to be true. This will give me column names. Now to look at the data frame, we will use the method show. I will write df.show, and here in the output you can see we got the data frame here, and in our data frame we have two columns. First column is color and the second column is fruit. We have color name and we have fruit name red. In color we have red, black, yellow, brown, green, and in fruit we have apple, grapes, banana, kiwi and guava. Let's type the schema. We will look at the column types. I will write df.print schema, and this will give us the column types. And here you can see both of these columns are string. Now let us look at the distinct color and fruit present in our variable color and fruit, and let's see that. We will use the method distinct. I will write df.distinct dot show, and now in the output you can see we got the distinct color and fruit. There are total 1 2 3 4 and 5, 4 distinct color and 4 distinct fruit. Now we are going to convert this text into numbers using the string indexer. Now I'm going to make one variable indexer. I will call the class string indexer, and inside this my first parameter will be input columns, and I want to convert these two columns into numeric type. I'll make a list here, and inside this list I will pass these two column names. My first column name is color, the second column name is fruit. Then my next parameter will be output columns, and the output of these two columns will be, first will be color underscore index. This will be our new column, and the second column name will be fruit underscore index. Now let's execute our code. We have converted this into string indexer. Now we need to fit this on our data frame df and transform it. I will make one variable indexed. Now I will call this indexer, and I will call this method fit, and I will fit this on the data frame. I will write df dot, and then I will also transform it. I'll write dot transform, and we will write df because we are going to fit it on the data frame df, and then we will transform it on the same data frame df. Let's execute our code. Now we are going to look at the results. I will write indexed dot show, and here in the output you can see now we got two new columns. Here you will see we have passed these two columns, color and fruit, and the output columns were color underscore index and fruit underscore index. And here in the output you can see we got two new columns here, color index and fruit index, and they are numeric. Now you can interpret this like so. For this color red, the index is 2. Wherever you will see the color red, you will get the number 2.0. Now let's look at the color red again, and here also you will see red, it is 2.0. Then here you will see red and 2.0. Everywhere you will see 2.0 for red, and similarly for other colors. Let's say for black you will see 0.0. So here we have 0.0 for black. Then if you come down here you will see here it is black and it is 0.0, and here also we have this black 0.0. Similarly for other colors. And for fruit, let's see, for apple we have 0.0. Everywhere you will see apple, you will see this value 0.0. Here also we have apple and the value is 0.0. Then the second fruit is grapes, and for this we have the index 2.0. And here also you will see for grapes we have 2.0. Here also for grapes we have 2.0. So with the help of this string indexer, we have converted our text column or the string columns into numeric types. And now when you are developing a machine learning model, you can pass these two new columns and you will be able to fit it on these two variables. This is how you can apply the string indexer on your columns. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.